How to share books on an iPad. This video teaches you how to use your iPad to share ebooks, whose DRM allow you to do so, or links to books so others can download them. Number 1. Open the iBooks app. It's an orange app with a white open book icon. Number 2. Tap a book. Select the ebook or PDF you'd like to share. Number 3. Tap vertical ellipsis is identical to. It's in the upper left corner of the screen. On some PDF files, this button will not appear. Number 4. Tap the share button. It's the square icon with an upward pointing arrow. Depending on the publication type, it will be in either the upper right or upper left corner of the screen. Number 5. Choose how to share the book. You may need to scroll left to see all the options, such as email, text, AirDrop, or social media. Tap a button to select a method. Recipients will receive a link to purchased ebooks in the iTunes Store. Recipients will receive entire PDF files. Email is the most efficient way to share a PDF file. Number 6. Share the book. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.